There we go.
Can we do one of those?
Yeah. Do you think you could do a super job on this for me?
Oh my
Good
goodness.
job. Fabulous.
That's lovely.
Perfect. Thank you. You did a good job.
Enjoyed the show.
See you later. Bye-bye.
So,
Have a good night, pal. We'll see you tomorrow. All the best. All right.
thank you. More type here from Wolf Band.
And okay.
It's okay. It's in my diary. Don't worry about it.
Sorry. I'm sorry. What were you saying?
That big coffee bag. Okay. Yeah. Just like very like. Babe. Let's go. Yeah, they will. I'll be a kid for the Ryan team. Yes, the whole opens. One or two. Oh, that's a bomb. No. Go and watch this.
My eye.
Good lad. You okay, pal? Alright, mate. Maybe we should try that. Help the tractor boys. I don't remember up these films.